Trojan Outreach celebrate National Unity Day with Troy University students to show them that it's okay to be different from others as long as we unite together.
We are NTC today. We have this huge banner and we're basically getting people to put their handprint on as a symbolism of we're all human, we're all people, we all go through different things and we're united in our differences, but at the same time, we are one.
Not everyone knew it was National Unity Day, but some appreciate the diversity that we could share among others.
I didn't know it was National Unity Day, so I like that they had it out and could show us. I think it's really cute, the different colors to show the diversity between people, and that we use our handprints because it's very personable to people.
Trojan Outreach explains to students that we are not so much different after all.
I think that sometimes diversity isn't appreciated as much as it is. So what we want to talk about today is we've been talking with people that come to our table about what makes them unique, what makes them different, and then we just kind of talk about how we all have bones, we're all human, we all have feelings, we all have things that make us similar.
In the month of November, Trojan Outreach will have a nutrition and thankfulness event. Yolanda Allen, Troy, TrojanVision News.